Alright guys, here's a 94 to 95 Air King 9733. I called it a 3733 and Tori yelled at me. But I got this at the same Goodwill I got the last go from. I got this one a few days before that one. This one's in just as good a shape, if not better. Actually, I think it's a little bit better. Everything's real nice and white. Handle and knob are just a little bit yellowed out. All the paint's in real nice shape on it. Grill has one broken slat right there. Other than that, they're sweet. Well, I guess there's a couple right there that are half-assedly broken, but we'll forget about those. Let's flip it around. Still even has one of the feet on it yet. It's amazing for a Lasco. Back grill doesn't have anything broke, but the front grill didn't have a cord knockout, so I couldn't switch them. Look at that nice shiny motor. Never see them that nice in a Lasco. This one runs pretty good. I don't think it runs quite as good as the 3723 does, but it runs nice. Here's low. Speeds are about the same. Still slower than most Lascos are, and I like that. Here's medium. The blade doesn't look like it's very well balanced, but the fan doesn't shake around, so it must be. You look real close at the hub. See it dancing around. That and the trailing edge of the blades. Here's high. This one was a little bit stiff when I got it and didn't really want to start up all that great, and still doesn't have as good of a coast down as the 3723 does, but a little bit more oil than it probably will. But yeah, I guess that's about it for this one. No, I guess I'll show you the inside of it real quick. Just a real small amount of surface rust, hardly anything. Not even on the walls and stuff. But yeah, I guess that's it for this one, guys, so thanks for watching. Take it easy and stay safe from this virus. I'll talk to you later.